Hey, hi everyone. This is Shiva here. I work as Head of Sales Engineering in Fieldproxy. So today let's look into delivery management and how how we at Fieldproxy will be able to assist you with that using our application, right? So before I deep dive into the technical stuff, I want to give an overview about how this actually can help you, right? So if you have a team field and you want them to do deliveries and you're currently using Excel or WhatsApp, etc., we have a solution for you. You can do that through our mobile application. You can feed in your data, and as soon as you as a manager upload it, your agents will be able to getting notifications and all these. So all this data is recorded and everything in a dashboard perspective is also being there, right? This all in an efficient way, right? So let me start off with a manager view and how it will be looking for you as a manager and how you can assign deliveries to your team, right? So if you look on here, this is an overview. You all will be able to already feed in all your customers' data before itself with the location, contact number, etc. Right? Now, if you want to assign a delivery for today, you have certain agents, right? Whoever you want to assign. Let's say John. You want to assign a delivery to John, and the delivery date is today itself on 28th, and time, etc. You'll be able to set. And there are some notes also that you can add on. For example, now I just fed in some data saying same day delivery. And it's a very high priority deal, right? So now I'll be able to save this. Once I do this, your field agent will be getting an immediate notification trigger. So let's look into that, see. So now I just updated these details here. If you look here, immediately there's a notification that went in, right? Let's see what the notification says. This says new delivery for 28 has been assigned for you, right? Now, as soon as your agent is able to click onto it, it will redirect him or her to this particular page. So there is a same day delivery priority high, right? So your agent will be able to select that delivery and he'll be able to look into the delivery status. If he wants, customer details are here. Whatever customer details that he wants to can be abstracted from here. And he can also look into the delivery history. If there's an issue at the site of the customer, he'll be able to check the previous deliveries, whatever has happened to that customer. And then if he delivered the goods, he'll be able to feed in the data, and he or she would be also able to capture the image once the delivery is done, and then you can use the image, right? And then they can submit the data here. So once that is done, the next stage would be checkout. Once all the formalities on the site are done, he or she will be able to set checkout, and they'll be able to set the location, and if any remarks, they can add those remarks, right? If not, they can just simply add on saying done and then submit the response. Once this is done, all the data that has been entered is saved in the backend system for us. The reason behind that is to provide you with a much broader dashboard view as a manager. If you look here, you'll be able to look into quite a few things and understand what is happening. For example, this is how the dashboard would look like for you as a manager, right? So you'll be able to look into it as a whole or individually as an agent-wise view. Let's stick with John here, right? So on a whole, John has delivered 4, and he delivered everything. There's no pending deliveries for him. And you can also see how many deliveries he did it on time. So 74% of the deliveries he was able to make it on time, right? And there's a broader view here. You can see all the customer details on time, whatever been assigned, time, check-in, check-out at the location of the customer, etc. Now, you can also see if there's any pending orders for John. That is also reflected here. And this on a day-wise view, you can see overall deliveries and how many is being completed. If any is pending, it will be reflected on a green scale here. And user-wise, right? So this is since we took it as an individual view, it is only John that is reflecting here. You can see his delivery performances, how many completed, how many is pending, etc. on user-wise. That is today. Since we set it for later today, there's still one order that is pending for him. Yeah. And similarly, you can also see if there's any delay in deliveries and average time also that he's spending at a location. He or she is able to spend at the location. For example, we had this check-in, right? So once he checks in, the backend, the time is tracked. Once he checks out, also the time is tracked. So you can also see on average how much time he's spending at a customer's place. That is also being able to track. And if there's any escalations that's happening, some issues, that is also reflected on a dashboard perspective for you overall. So these are all the data points and dashboard views that you will be able to see on a whole. You can also see, as I said, for a single user or all the users, whatever is happening. Hope you have a better understanding about how it works. And if not, if you have any other questions or queries, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you out. Thank you so much for your time. Yeah.